Welcome back to another video, YouTube. Okay, this video I'm going to show you guys because it seems like you guys can't seem to take the two pieces of the two videos that I made specifically for this. You guys can't do 2 and 2 and make 4. You guys got to do 1 plus 0 or 1 times 0 or 1 times 1 because the addition is just too hard for you guys. So you guys, I don't know, but I'm not gonna talk in this video per se. It's just gonna be like kind of like a time lapse. I'm gonna speed it up a little bit, not too much, but just so you guys could get the point. And then there will be a pause in this video of so you guys will know. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna start this video out just like that, and then if you need some information, all the information is down here on the right side of your screen. So it's gonna be right here. So if I make a tab, it's always gonna be in the layout view, okay, or the 3D viewport view. Okay, so just check wherever the 3D viewport view is, and that's where this will be. All right. Good talk. I'll see you guys.
Hey. 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 Whoa. Whoa. Hey. Damn, I look sexy. Probably why your girlfriend wanna text. My name is not Nike, but they tryna check me. She a work of art, but she acting sketchy. I got a couple girls on my phone asking if Kevin is home alone. Macaulay Culkin, bitch, I'm on my own. I'm a ball like my hair ain't grown. Rogaine, Spitfire, propane, Usain, Bolt. I'ma do this till I'm old. I can't stop till I'm hitting my goals. Grinding like 24/7. Flight out to Tokyo, walking out 7-Eleven. You dating sevens, I'm dating 11s. Look like an angel, but she ain't for shoving. Whoa, I'm on a roll. I bought a mansion, I might buy a boat. They call me Homer, I'm all about dough. She texts where you at, I'm in my zone. I'm up in VIP, up in my section. She tryna hit at my mentions. Back in school, she pay no attention. I'm about to give it attention. I'm feeling fly, left her on red. Now she gon' cry. She kissed my girl, I think that she bi. She wanna come through, she can slide. Yeah, slide to the city. Back in the day, they were not messing with me. I used to wish like my first name was Timmy. A sip in the Cosmo, counting the millies. Now that I did it, I'm living free willy. I splash on a hater with rocks like a millie. I don't wear ice though, so that's silly. I don't check the price, bitch, dilly dilly. I'm just here for the chicks. Take a watch on the wrist. Little kiss to your chick. She throwing a fit. I wonder I'm gonna be lit. Damn, it look sexy. Probably why your girlfriend wanna text. My name is not Nike, but they tryna check me. She a work of art, but she acting sketchy. I got a couple girls on my phone asking if Kevin is home alone. Macaulay Culkin, bitch, I'm on my own. I'm a ball like my hair ain't grown. Rogaine, Spitfire, propane, Usain, Bolt. I'ma do this till I'm old. I can't stop till I'm hitting my goals. Grinding like 24/7. Flight out to Tokyo, walking out 7-Eleven. You dating sevens, I'm dating 11s. Look like an angel, but she ain't for shoving.
We are in Photopia. That last bit I was talking and my audio wasn't working. Um, because I forgot to turn it back on. But here we are in Photopia. So what I have, this is like just a free Photoshop. If you don't have Photoshop, you can't afford it. I can't afford it. I'm just not gonna buy it just because I don't do this often. But I'm doing this for you guys, and so it's just photopia.com. Probably leave the link in the description down below. So yeah, here's well, this is what we're going to be working with right here. This texture. Okay, I'm still logged into Blender. Okay, I thought I left it out. So here's the texture that we're going to be working with. So this guy said that he wants a jersey color to be purple, which is this. This is just going to be a time lapse. I'm not really going to be talking too much in this, but I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do. So yeah, this is basically Photoshop. So we have the brush tool. All these, you guys can check these out, like the tools and all that. Don't have my key thing over here, but I do have a click sensor, so you can see the clicks that I'm doing. But he says he wants purple, so I'm just trying to find a nice purple, kind of like this deep purple. And then wait, I didn't save it. Okay, here we go. Gotta go over here, then click OK, and there we go. So I'm gonna just make this purple. You kind of just have to play around with it, figure it out, see what happens. Go back into Blender and everything. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do it and everything like that. So I'm just paint this whole thing purple because I know that this is the jersey, and as you can see, these are the socks. And then this is like the leg, and then this is the shoe because it has the shoelaces. And so you just wanna figure it out. This is a hand, as you can see. Obviously, it's like a hand. This is the left hand. This right hand. All that fun jazz. Alright, so now I'm just back in Blender. What I can do now is I can close this tab, right? And then I can zoom in just a little bit, focus on this. I can move this just a little bit up. Well, I guess we could vertical split it. Okay, never mind. I thought that was gonna split this one for me. We'll just move this over just a little bit into the middle, I guess. Then we're going here, and as you can see, this is the texture that we grabbed last time, so we're just going to X that out. Let's see, what other texture is it? This one? Yeah. don't want that one in there. And then we could go in here, and then we could type in .tga just to find it faster, and then go to this one, I believe, plug that in, and boom, now we have a purple textured or purple jersey. And then I guess you can plug this in if you want for the texture, or you can either go on like a texture website. I might leave a texture website down below. You can delete this one and then plug in a texture, give it like a grunge or like a shade or like just anything you really want, honestly. All right, so there's that. It's a solid purple jersey. Okay. And yeah. So now we got to figure out how to put his logo on here. And that's what I'm gonna be working on. So I literally just found out how to do this yesterday on my own, and so I'm doing it today, and I'm making a video for you guys today. Um, but yeah, like I said, maybe add a different texture just so it has like a texture on here. And then yeah, if this video helped you, I'm sorry, I'm stuttering right now. If this video helped you and you thought it was helpful, I guess no. Okay. If this video helped you and you liked it, please feel free to leave a like. Don't forget to leave a like. Oh my, this ending is cut. If this video helped you in any way, feel free to leave a like, and then don't forget to subscribe. I'll be making more tutorials and walkthroughs and the speed arts in the future. So just let me know what you guys want in the comments below. Also join my Discord where you can ask me questions and I'll answer the questions as quickly and as accurate as I can. Other than that, it has my Google Drive, so you can get not this one, but a changeable jersey. Not this exact one with the logo on it, but it will be a jersey just like this. It'll be changeable. You can change the logo, go into the shader editor just like I showed you guys, and you can change it and do whatever you want with it. So have fun with that. Thank you for watching the video, and